Now let's talk about Power BI. BI is not Bahasa English. Instead, BI means business intelligence. With Power BI, it's not just about fascinating visualizations. You can actually import data from Excel workbook, SQL, and many more. Now, what if just say I have multiple Excel files? Can I import multiple Excel files to Power BI? Yes, exactly. You can actually import more than one Excel workbook into Power BI. Interestingly, you can also create connection in the Power BI. You can also create connection among the various Excel data in Power BI. Thanks to Model View and Power BI, you can actually create connection in Power BI. Moreover, Power BI also has Power Query, whereby you can massage the data. You can transform the data, you can merge the data, unpivot the data, and many more. In Power BI, you can also create fascinating visualizations, tree map, funnel, field map, slicer, and many more. With many visualizations, you can actually produce fascinating reports in Power BI. Power BI also can also do calculation thanks to D, A, and X. Data analytic expression, you can actually do calculation in Power BI. Well, in Power BI, like I mentioned, you can create fascinating visualization. You can also do the same in Excel. However, Excel takes the longest route. You have to select data, you go to pivot table, and then from there, you can create a pivot chart. Interestingly, in Power BI, it's a shortcut. If you want to create a fascinating visualization, then Power BI is the best answer. With Power BI, you can actually turn data into dashboard with just few seconds. In Power BI, you can create many fascinating visualizations. Tree map, funnel, field map, slicer, bar chart, column chart, and many more. In Power BI, there are many fascinating visualizations that can be used to create an interactive presentation. Power BI can actually filter data and drill down the specific data. The question is, how? Well, with Power BI, you have a feature called Slicer. The slicer can appear in many forms. It can appear in a vertical list, it can appear in a tiles format, it can also appear as a drop-down list. With the presence of the slicer, you can actually filter your data. You can also use the Power Query feature to filter and drill down specifically according to your needs. You can also refresh your data by schedule by using your mouse and go to the home section, and once you go to the home section, you will notice there's an icon called refresh. So any changes you make in the original data or in your original Excel workbook, by just clicking refresh in Power BI, you can automatically refresh your data in Power BI.